How would you say your sound has grown or changed in 2025 compared to when you first started?
Go more in my style as time goes on, you know?
Okay,
Go more in my own style, you know? Yeah.
Okay, we love that. You did first start, you came out with a bang, you came out doing what you're doing best, and definitely...
Full touch of Alkaline. Big up BT UK. Okay? Mad. Yo! Alkaline youth! Jano youth, are you full of surprises, so dog? Jano, Alkaline is something else. People, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boy Nando in our building. So, we're here to talk about Alkaline. This video is about Alkaline and his first interview after around 9 or 8 years now. And Alkaline did an interview with BET UK. And this interview was done before his New Rules concert in UK. So, you know, him do the interview, then go perform. So, the interview officially, the exclusive drop, I guess there's more to this interview, but an exclusive drop. And trust me, people, a lot of people are in frenzy right now. A lot of people are going crazy. Even the haters are going crazy, or the naysayers are going crazy, because we see what the interview posts on all social media platforms, and everybody have the most to say. You have people that talk about his intellectual skills and him can't talk or him can't articulate himself and so forth. But what people don't understand is Alkaline is that man. He knows how to articulate himself. It's just that he does some stuff to get people riled up, and he has a saying where he always said that nothing where the boss do not random. So it's like to say, bro, the interview and the way how the man portray himself in an interview, it's definitely having people talking right now. And trust me, people, me I go play the interview for Una see, and we can talk about some of the stuff them him say, because some key points in our interview we can say, yo, the man really love and support him fans them. It's like to say him not cater with the haters them. I say it's like him more so talk about him fans them. Him more so talk say, yo, he is inspired by him fans and the love with the fans have for him. It's like him not focus on locals, see me. So the interview with Alkaline, people, me not lie, every platform you go on, you have people that say something. And you have a person like Nico Fire come out and I say, yo, or where him say I work because I'm a tell Alkaline for put out, him a tell Alkaline and Kerry for the interviews before the summer come and so forth. Where them no know say, nothing where the boss do not random. Everything when him have up him sleeve, him know the right time and when to drop them and put them out. And it's like to say, the man know him I do. Right now, him name are ringing at me that 24/7. Him can drop a song right now and get the place Europe. But you see, the man put in all even the black eye again, the contact. Look on the contact on the man eye. Yo, the man look, when I look on the man eye, the man look devilish, the blood clean. Like how a man singing a one song, devilish and not lip chat. Bro, people, watch our interview, yeah. Full touch of Alkaline. Big up BT UK. Okay? Mad.
It's a girl, Monica Lee, and today I'm sat next to a musical powerhouse. Yes, that's right. I'm here with the one and only Alkaline. Hi.
What up? Bless it.
How are you feeling?
Super.
Good. Can I just say you're looking absolutely great? You are ready.
Yeah,
you're ready for London.
Yeah, man, you're looking nice, just to see. You know?
Thank you so much. And I just want to say one absolute pleasure to have you here, live and direct, in the flesh, having a conversation. It's been a few years, so it's nice to just be able to just vibe.
Really, it's a vibe, you know?
Good.
Being in another place and in the flesh.
How would you say your sound has grown or changed in 2025 compared to when you first started?
Go more in my style as time goes on, you know?
Okay.
Go more in my own style, you know?
And people in that specific part, when the Lord say, him more in a theme own style as time progress, people in a them feeling same way. It's like people are trying to say, yo, the dog admit him today in our next Smarty style or whatever. But them now get the fact say, yo, the Lord just a say, bro, in progress as time progresses, him find him own image, him find him own style. But people still are in a them feelings, people still are cuss, people still are ball. It's like to say, bro, Everybody vex some when me never said them some need to show more respect to the dead. And it's like people still can't front up the law or the law doing thing, bro. People, Alkaline have the media attack, have everybody attack. And as I say, it's the right time for the law to do anything. And as I say, sometimes, when him do things like this, you have to expect the unexpected because he knows how to get everybody riled up. And at that, I go on right now. If you check the comment section, them pan all of the posts, them a post a video, yeah, the interview, yeah, everybody in a frenzy. All the fans, them, all the naysayers, them people.
Okay, we love that. You did first start, you came out with a bang, you came out doing what you're doing best and definitely just took things to another level. Do you feel like you had to continue doing that in order to just kind of stay relevant in 2025?
Just do me, you know what I mean? And the people appreciate it and I respect that.
Let me say people, you see Alkaline dog, Alkaline is a man of few words, a man of little words. Like you can get everything when you say all time old demeanor and stuff, but he's a man of few words. But the man humble and calm and easy and collected in himself, bro. The man just calm and collected and clutch and bro, the man different on a different level, bro. And the man, one I think one know is still do, dog. What gives him the idea to put in but the contact lens? Because you see this whole contact thing, dog, right now, it have the media aware, people, from even the show, from even the New Rule show, and to see that the lad sit down in an interview with the contact. Bro, it is so, and you can't unimaginable, bro. You can't imagine yourself and say, yo, Alkaline really go put him at the lens. So now people have so much to say.
You know what I mean? I was glad we bring and we do for it so far,
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Anyone that has inspired you to be where you are today?
Not really.
There is so much layer of this interview where it's just mind-boggling for a lot of people, even the naysayers, because that same part of the dog say, yo, when the woman asked him if the same inspiring line, bro. And the man said, no, really. I just the fans them. And that same line of people in them feeling same way again. It's like a 2016 comeback again, bro. Or the years them when him did do the interview with Winford when him say, yo, he's inspired by people but not a specific person. So it's just crazy, people. It is crazy how the lad know how to deal with the media. I feel like him mastered the art of knowing how to make the media run with whatever it want to run with.
Just the fans and love of the fans, Grateful for the support that we get. Grateful for everybody who's involved. I look forward for more, Yeah, I'm taking it on higher levels.
To be fair, just watching you and just seeing how you've grown and progressed and just continue to hit different ceilings, 100% having new rules, it's doing a big deal.
You got the music, You know what I mean? Anyway, there's some of that.
People, Alkaline is like a humble lamb. You see, energy where I give off, it's like the energy of being at peace. The way all the man, the energy not rowdy and wild, the energy just peaceful. And that me I get from the dog. The dog just humble like a real lamb dog. Bro, to the way how the dog a move, you can definitely tell, say, yo, he's in tune with himself and he's in tune with the music. You hear the man say, anyway, the music them there. And that's all he want. He want to build the music. He want to grow the music. No look at animosity, no look at friction, no look at vibes, negative vibes, as I'm singing a song before, pun intended. But, bro, Alkaline upon a different level mentally and you can feel it from the interview and how him articulate himself. Nothing too extra, nothing too extra. Him just calm and in his own little space, in own fears. And I respect that from the dog. You can still say, yo, him respect and love him fans them and him love the music also. And definitely people, that interview is one for really watch. And if you don't watch it, people, check out the interview. And it depends on all platforms. Just check out the interview. one of the greatest things is to be thankful that we get an interview from Alkaline. You know, in fans, I'm supposed to be excited and, you know, excited in a whole different sense right now for know say yo them get an interview from them artists after so many years and seeing him in an interview, you know, him do papers interview but not visual interviews. So for see him in an interview now, the fans them definitely are gonna run with that one of them love it and them are gonna talk about it. I definitely know say yo when the other vloggers them go live and support me know them are gonna tune into it. So a mad thing, you know already man, a vibes and insight with Nando. Tell me what you think about my perspective as it pertains to the interview with Alkaline. You know it already man, a mad thing. I'm out. Peace.